All, welcome to Gupshup Bar. Today's topic is for the job seekers in airline industry, and this is generally for the cabin crew, or you can say the air hostess job or the flight attendant job. See, today I'll be giving you some of the important points which I'll suggest you to go through and start doing as I'm about to tell you now. The very first important point which I'll suggest you is while applying for any airline job and basically for cabin crew, try to grab some information about the company for which you have applied. Then try to have some research on the hiring manager, the HR manager, and the job you have applied, right? Then I'll suggest you that the second point which I am suggesting, that you have to review some general questions of an interview, like introducing yourself, your family background, your educational qualifications, or if you have worked somewhere. Fine. Then there are some very important questions which are always asked for the cabin crew interview. These questions are: number 1, what are your strengths? Number 2, what are your weaknesses? Number 3, why should we hire you? And the number 4, what do you know about our company? So you have to be very smart while giving the answer of these 4 questions. When the question is about your strength, you have to tell the positive aspects of your professional personality. When it is about weakness, try to give close-ended answer with limited and smart words. Don't tell your personal life or personal things, personal weakness in the answer, right? And as I have said before, appearing for the interview, try to have some information about the company. So the 4 questions answer will automatically be answered by you. Now, there are few important points which you must know before applying or before going for the cabin crew interview, like number 1, the age. It should be minimum 19 and maximum 27. Some of the companies are not taking more than 25. Secondly, there should not be visible tattoo mark on your body. If it's hidden, no issues, but if it's visible, you will have to take removal sessions before the interview. Third, you should be good looking. You require a good height. For female candidates, it's 155, and minimum I'm talking about. Sorry. And the most important part is your communication skills. While giving the answers, try to maintain the eye contact and try to give close-ended answers. Close-ended answers are those answers where you just choose right and smart words to answer a particular questions. If you are speaking a lot, the interviewer will get bored, number 1. Secondly, you are giving them the opportunity to ask more and more questions. So take care of it. In my next video about cabin crew interview tips, I'll be sharing some of the important information regarding airline industries and what are the things you need to develop in your personality before going for the interview. Till then, take care of yourself, and if you have any suggestion or question, please comment and share your email ID if you require some training materials for the cabin crew or the ground staff interview. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Bye bye.